Hello and welcome. As you already knew, on this channel we'll teach you how to make super delicious meals without seasoning cube. Okay, so we discuss healthy crush. So today we're going to be learning how to make vegetable. Oh yes, vegetable is very good if you want to live healthy. So get a pot and put very little water. You can see what we have there. So the ingredients we'll be needing is your fresh pepper, you need your crayfish, and you need your onion, and of course the very important ingredients, the vegetable. Okay, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Any vegetable can go. So get everything into the pot except the vegetable and allow it to boil. We can see how it is boiling there. So make sure the water is not so much. It's time to add our native pot spice. It's a natural spice. If you don't have that, you can add iru, also known as locust beans, and a pinch of salt, and cover the pot to boil. After a while, check back to see how liquid your sauce is. You can see there that we almost have the pot almost dry. So we can now pour in the vegetable and give it a good stir. Oh yeah, give it a good stir and then allow it to cook for a few minutes. Please don't overcook your vegetable. What we have here is already okay. Cover it and bring it off the heat. You can dish it and serve with your white rice, jollof rice, white yam, or even agidi. For you to live healthy, you cannot do without vegetables. Yes. So tell us if you like this video. Subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so very much for watching. See you in our next episode. Bye bye.